Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Little Nightmares problem. So let's start. Make sure to follow my steps. For the first method, go to the Windows search bar. After that, type in Device Manager. After that, this will pop up. So make sure to look for display adapters and open it. Now go to your graphics card. Make sure to select the NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, not the integrated one. After that, right click on it and then select Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers. After that, click Close. Just to make sure, go to the search once again and type in NVIDIA. NVIDIA app should be displayed like this. If you can't find it for some reason, make sure to download it from the browser. Set it up, after that come back and click it right here. Now this will open, so make sure to log in with your correct credentials. After that, go to the left and click on drivers. Now all you need to do is to select this button in the right, which is most likely install. After that, choose between custom or express installation and click on continue in order to update your existing driver. For the next step, go to the Windows taskbar. After that, right click and click on Task Manager. Now go to the search and type in the launcher that you have Little Nightmares on, which is Steam, for example. If you find any Steam application is running right here, make sure to select it, right click and click on the end task, and do that for every task you will find. After that, wait for a couple of moments and try opening the launcher once again. Go top left corner and select the Steam logo. After that, make sure to check for the Steam client updates. If you can't find the download button next to the close button, you're good to go. Select close. After that, go to view and click on library. Now in the left menu, look for Little Nightmares. I do have this version, but it doesn't matter. Make sure to follow my steps. So once you select it, go to this gear icon in the right. After that, select properties. This menu will pop up. So go to the left and click on installed files. After that, you need to click on verify integrity of game files. Now Steam will start verifying the original game files, and any corrupted or missing file will be recovered safely without any issues. Now just wait for the process to finish. If the problem still occurs, go to the search once again. After that, go to settings, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. You probably have waiting updates or pending updates that you need to install. That's why you're having this kind of issue. So make sure to either check for updates or retry any failed updates, or even restart the computer like my case right here. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.